Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In today's video, I'll be reviewing a magnetic gel polish from Japan that's creating a buzz. It's from the famous 100 yen shops, and it's been flying off the shelves. I'll show you exactly how it performs and why it's getting so much attention. But first, let me introduce Japan's 100 yen shops. In Japan, we have stores like Daiso, Seria, and Can-Do. These shops are famous for offering a huge range of items, from daily goods to beauty and nail supplies for just 110 yen, about $0.77 each. They're similar to dollar stores in the US, but what makes them special is the uniquely Japanese selection and surprisingly high quality. Some Daiso stores have started opening overseas, but the variety and quality of products you'll find in Japan is truly impressive. Among all the products, nail items are especially popular. Whenever something goes viral on social media, it sells out instantly. And the best part? 100 yen shops are everywhere in Japan, even in small towns. So anyone can easily pick up gel nail supplies and give it a try. Now, let's take a closer look at this gel. Today, I'll be using a magnetic gel I picked up from Seria for just 110 yen, about $0.77. The color range is soft and natural, very cute. And I'll walk you through the actual application and results. First, the base layer. Apply a thin, even coat of the magnetic gel. For this first layer, don't use the magnet. Just cure it under the light. Then comes the second coat. This time, apply a bit more gel to cover the nail fully. The texture is smooth and easy to work with, even for beginners. It's not too runny and very controllable. Now, before curing, bring your magnet close and start shaping your design. It reacts really well to the magnet. It moves just like the professional ones. By changing the angle of the magnet, you can create beautiful effects with depth and movement, like flowing light or a 3D shine. Once you're happy with the design, cure it as is. Then finish with a no-wipe top coat and cure again. And you're done. Even the slightest movement in the magnetic design brings out a stunning shine and a beautiful sense of depth. It's hard to believe this costs just 110 yen. What a surprise! While the volume isn't listed, the bottle is about the same size as a 4 milliliter one, so it's a bit on the small side. But considering the pigmentation, the sparkle, and the price, it's definitely worth it. And it's also HEMA-free, which is a big plus. If I had to mention one downside, it would be the curing time. It takes about 1 minute under LED or 2 minutes under UV, which is a bit longer than most professional gels. Still, Japan's 100 yen shops offer a ton of affordable, high-quality nail products, perfect for beginners, and even experienced users will find something they'll love. And actually, there's one more product I want to introduce today. This one is from another 100 yen shop, Can Do, and it's also a magnetic gel. This version costs 330 yen, about $2.29, but it comes in more colors and delivers a stronger, more sparkly magnetic effect. You can also find different types, like microparticle gels that shine softly like silk, or flash gels that glow intensely under phone lights. In Japan, Can-Do's magnetic gel is incredibly popular. It's even said to be top tier among all 100 yen shop products. So, if you ever visit Japan, make sure to check out the nail section in a 100 yen shop. The variety and quality will truly amaze you. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more video like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye!